Flying after 60, 10 hidden airport perks seniors don't know about. Are you over 60 and still love to travel? You might think you've seen it all, but stick around. There are hidden airport perks just for seniors that can save you money, time, and stress, and maybe even give you a good laugh. By the end of this countdown, you'll be flying smarter than ever. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We post weekly travel tips to make your journeys easier. You don't want to miss out. Now, let's count down the top 10 hidden perks for senior travelers. Number 1 will blow your mind. So let's get started with 10. Senior-only flight discounts, the silver ticket. Coming in at number 10 is one of the best-kept secrets in the travel world: senior fares. That's right. Airlines often have special discounts tucked away like a hidden treasure map, but you won't find them plastered across travel sites or booking apps. These fares are reserved for seasoned travelers, usually starting at age 60 or 65, and in some cases, the discounts can be dramatic, up to 50% off the standard fare. Imagine flying coast to coast for the price of a dinner out. Not bad, right? But it's not just the US that plays this game. Internationally, some carriers sweeten the deal even more. Think beyond just cheaper tickets. Certain airlines throw in extras like free checked bags, waived seat selection fees, or even priority boarding. In other words, you're not only paying less, you're getting treated better. It's like airlines are saying, "We see you, silver-haired jet setter, and we're going to make your trip a little easier." So what's the catch? Well, you usually won't stumble across these fares online. No flashy 50% off for seniors. Banners pop up on Expedia or Google Flights. Instead, you have to go old school. Pick up the phone and call the airline directly. Sometimes you might even need to show proof of age at the ticket counter. It's less click and book, and more ask and you shall receive. Think of it as unlocking a secret menu, not for a hidden burger or off-the-grid latte, but for real savings that keep more cash in your pocket for the trip itself. Here's a pro tip. If you're booking for a couple and one of you qualifies for the senior discount, sometimes you can score the deal for both tickets. Policies vary, but it never hurts to ask. Worst case, you save on one fare, and best case, you both fly cheaper. Great, you've saved money. But what about saving time? Because at number 9, your age doesn't just help your wallet. It can become your express lane through airport security. 9. Priority security lines. Skip the line. Senior shine. Number 9 is all about trading frustration for convenience, because one of the biggest hidden perks of being a senior traveler is priority access at security checkpoints. In many countries, airports create special lanes for seniors, just as they do for families with young children or passengers with disabilities. Instead of being wedged into a long snaking line, you get waved toward a shorter, faster queue that feels almost VIP. Even in the US, where perks don't always come easy, there's a golden rule for travelers aged 75 and up: expedited screening. That means you can keep your shoes on, leave your light jacket zipped, and avoid the balancing act of hopping around on one leg while trying to remove footwear. Small detail, huge difference, especially when you're trying to maintain dignity in front of 100 other travelers juggling laptops and water bottles. But it doesn't stop there. If standing for long periods is tough, TSA offers another little-known option: a passenger support specialist. These trained officers can meet you at the checkpoint, help guide you through the process, and even coordinate with the rest of the security team to make sure your screening is smooth and respectful. Many travelers don't realize you can request this assistance in advance or simply ask on the spot. The result? A process that feels less like an obstacle course and more like a calm, guided stroll. Here's a pro tip. Even if you don't think you qualify, ask politely. Airport staff are often more accommodating than people expect, especially when it comes to older travelers. You might be surprised at just how many times they'll say yes.
So, while other passengers are wrestling with shoes, belts, laptops, and liquids, you'll be gliding through with far less stress.
You've breezed through security. Congratulations! But what about the long trek through the terminal itself? At number 8, we'll show you how to get chauffeured to your gate like royalty, without ever breaking a sweat.
8. Free wheelchair and cart services. Airport chauffeurs at your service. Number 8 is where airports roll out the wheels, literally. If the long trek from the check-in counter to your gate feels like a marathon, you don't have to push through on sore knees or tired legs. Airports provide complimentary wheelchairs and electric cart rides for travelers who need them. And here's the best part. This service isn't just reserved for severe medical cases. Seniors who simply find long walks exhausting, or who'd rather save their energy for the vacation itself, can absolutely request it.
How do you get it? Easy. You can request wheelchair or cart assistance when booking your ticket, during online check-in, or simply at the airline counter when you arrive at the airport. Staff will arrange for someone to escort you, and suddenly what felt like a daunting hike becomes a smooth, chauffeured ride. You'll be whisked past bustling crowds, while other travelers juggle bags, coffee cups, and cranky kids. And here's a juicy bonus perk. Passengers using wheelchair or cart service are often routed through priority lanes at both security and immigration. That means less time in lines and more time relaxing at your gate. Or, let's be honest, grabbing a snack before boarding. In many airports, staff will also help handle your carry-on bags, making the process even more stress-free. Think of it as the airport's version of a VIP track. Instead of paying for premium services or elite status memberships, you're simply taking advantage of a complimentary amenity designed to make your journey safer and more comfortable. Thousands of seniors use it every day, and staff are well trained to make it smooth and discreet. So next time you're staring down a seemingly endless terminal corridor, don't tough it out. Ask for the ride. You've earned it. And speaking of bags, perks don't end with getting them carried. At number 7, seniors can sometimes sneak in an extra checked bag for free. Let's unpack that. 7. Free extra baggage allowance. Pack more, worry less. Number 7 is a real lifesaver for anyone who has trouble traveling light. Extra baggage allowances for seniors. That's right. Some airlines, especially international carriers, allow older travelers to check an additional bag at no extra cost. For others, the perk comes in the form of being more flexible with weight limits. After all, seniors often carry medical equipment, mobility aids, or just the extra comforts that make travel smoother. Instead of slapping on a hefty overweight fee, some airlines show a little leniency. Even when there's no official senior baggage policy in writing, here's where the magic of manners kicks in. Gate and counter agents have more discretion than travelers realize, and if you politely explain your situation, say that your bag is a little heavy because it's packed with medications or gifts for family, they might quietly waive the fee. A warm smile and kind tone go much further than frustration at the counter. Travelers often share stories of saving $50, $75, or even $100 in fees just by asking nicely. This perk can be especially handy on international trips where souvenirs pile up fast. That extra scarf from Paris, the handmade wooden toy for your grandson, or maybe that box of specialty chocolates you promised to bring back. Suddenly you're looking at a bag that's bursting at the seams. Instead of panicking at the scale, you might just find an agent willing to give you a pass. Here's a pro tip. If you do want to try your luck, arrive early and avoid peak rush times. Staff are more relaxed when the line isn't a mile long, and they're more likely to show flexibility. So, whether it's an official policy or a little human kindness, your bags may just fly for free, or at least cheaper than you expected.
Your luggage is sorted. What a relief. But the perks don't stop at the baggage counter. At number 6, we're talking about boarding the plane itself, and how seniors can often step on board before the crowd.
6. Early boarding privileges. Boarding without the stress. Number 6 is a perk that saves you stress before the plane even leaves the ground. Early boarding for seniors. While most travelers are stuck paying extra for priority boarding or scrambling to grab a decent spot in line, many airlines quietly allow older passengers to pre-board at no additional cost. That's right, you don't always need an elite frequent flyer card or a pricey upgrade. Sometimes, all it takes is politely asking the gate agent if you can have a little extra time to get settled. Why does this matter? First, it's all about space. Overhead bins fill up fast these days, and nothing ruins your travel vibe like wandering down the aisle clutching a carry-on while people glare at you for holding up the line. By boarding early, you guarantee your bag has a secure spot right above your seat, no shoving it 10 rows behind you, and praying you'll retrieve it later. Second, the experience is simply calmer. No elbows, no rushing, no balancing acts with coffee cups. while trying to wrangle a boarding pass. Instead, you stroll on at your own pace, find your seat, and get comfortable. By the time the general boarding stampede begins, you'll already be seated, sipping your water, maybe flipping through the in-flight magazine like a pro.
Pro tip: if you use a cane, walker, or just need a little extra time, gate staff are especially accommodating. Airlines know seniors often benefit from a few extra minutes, and it costs them nothing to let you on a bit earlier.
If you're finding these insider tips helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more senior-friendly travel tricks. And hey, do you have a funny or frustrating airport story of your own? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
Now you're on board early, which feels great, but what if your seat isn't all that comfortable? At number 5, we'll reveal how seniors can stretch out without stretching their wallets.
5. Seat upgrades when available. Legroom without the price tag. Number 5 is a game changer for comfort. Better seats without paying a dime. While airlines love to nickel and dime passengers for upgrades, seniors often discover that a polite request to the flight crew can unlock unexpected seating perks. If there are open spots on the plane, whether it's an aisle seat, a row closer to the front, or even a premium economy seat, flight attendants may be more than willing to move you. Why? It's simple. A comfortable senior passenger makes for a smoother flight. Crews know that older travelers may need easier access to the aisle for stretching, trips to the restroom, or simply to avoid feeling cramped in the dreaded middle seat. And if there's an empty row in the back or a single aisle seat free, they'd much rather see it used than wasted. There are countless stories of seniors asking kindly at the gate or once on board and walking away with a surprise upgrade. Sometimes it's as simple as being shifted a few rows forward to deplane faster. Other times, lucky travelers have scored entire rows to themselves, perfect for stretching out or sneaking in a mid-flight nap. On rare occasions, seniors have even been bumped up to premium economy or extra legroom sections at no extra charge. The common denominator? They asked. Pro tip: timing matters. Ask after boarding is complete, but before takeoff, when crews know exactly which seats are empty, and always frame your request politely. A smile and a little humor go a long way with busy flight attendants juggling dozens of passengers. So, while younger travelers are paying hundreds for upgrades, you might just snag the same perks for free, simply because you asked at the right moment. You've got a roomy seat and you're feeling good. But what about the dreaded layover? At number 4, we'll show you how to turn airport delays into delightful little mini vacations.
4. Free lounge access during delays. The VIP layover.
Number 4 is all about flipping the script on one of the most dreaded parts of travel, the layover. Nobody likes being stuck in a terminal for hours, but here's a secret most travelers don't know. Sometimes, seniors can score free lounge access during long delays simply by asking. Now, it's not an official policy stamped across airline websites. You won't see a big sign at the gate saying, "Grandma's lounge access here." But gate and service agents have a surprising amount of discretion. If your flight is heavily delayed or you're dealing with a long connection, many agents will happily hand seniors a complimentary day pass to the lounge. Why? Because it keeps you comfortable, calm, and less likely to be stressed out at the counter, something airlines very much appreciate. And let's be honest, the difference between the gate area and the lounge is night and day. At the gate, you're fighting for a seat next to a power outlet, listening to every boarding announcement echo through the terminal, and balancing a $12 sandwich on your lap. In the lounge, you're sinking into plush chairs, sipping free coffee, or maybe a glass of wine if it's that kind of day, and grazing on complimentary snacks. Need to freshen up? Many lounges offer clean bathrooms, private work areas, and even showers. Suddenly, what felt like a miserable delay starts looking like a mini vacation. Here's a pro tip. If you've been rerouted, delayed overnight, or your flight has been pushed back multiple hours, ask the gate agent or service desk if they can provide lounge access as a courtesy. The worst they can say is no, but you'd be surprised how often they'll say yes, especially for seniors. So, instead of dreading your next layover, think of it as a chance to score a little unexpected luxury. Comfortable in the lounge? Perfect. But once you're back in the terminal, your wallet still matters. At number 3, discover how your age can double as a built-in coupon. 3. Restaurant and retail discounts. Your age is your coupon.
Number Number 3 is proof that sometimes the simplest question saves you the most money. Senior discounts at airport shops and restaurants. They're out there, usually in the 10 to 15% range, but here's the catch. You have to ask. Cashiers rarely announce it, and there's no neon sign saying, "Seniors save here." It's one of those quietly kept perks that slips right under most travelers' radar.
Think about it. Over the course of a trip, those savings add up fast. That morning coffee and bagel at the airport cafe, knock a couple bucks off. Souvenirs for the grandkids at the duty-free shop, slice a nice chunk off the total. Even bigger purchases, like electronics or travel accessories at terminal shops, sometimes qualify. It's basically like carrying a secret coupon in your back pocket, activated by nothing more than a polite question. And don't forget about AARP. Some airport chains and restaurants honor AARP membership for extra discounts. Flash that card, and suddenly your overpriced airport meal feels a little less painful. Even international travelers can benefit, as some global franchises have similar age-based savings programs. It's worth asking every time you're about to swipe your card. You might be shocked how many places quietly say yes. Of course, there's a bit of a dance to it. Many seniors feel shy about asking, but here's the thing. Cashiers and staff are used to it. They won't bat an eye. In fact, they often appreciate when travelers know the system. Worst case, they say no, and you pay the same as everyone else. Best case, you've just saved enough for another snack, a drink on the plane, or even a little splurge later in your trip. So the next time you're browsing the shelves or standing in line for coffee at the airport, remember, your age isn't just a number, it's a discount code.
You've saved on food and shopping, which feels great, but what about saving yourself when things go wrong? At number 2, we'll reveal how seniors often have built-in travel insurance without even realizing it.
2. Built-in travel insurance via credit cards. Peace of mind in your wallet.
Number 2 is less about saving money at the airport and more about protecting your money before you even leave home. Travel insurance. Here's the twist. Many seniors already have it without realizing it. That's because certain credit cards automatically include protections like trip cancellation, trip interruption, lost or delayed baggage, and even emergency medical coverage if you use the card to book your flights. Think about it. A sudden illness, a family emergency, or even a snowstorm can derail your plans. Instead of being stuck with "too bad, non-refundable," your credit card may step in to reimburse you for flights, hotels, or other prepaid costs. Baggage delayed for a day or two? Some cards will cover replacement clothing and toiletries. More premium cards even include emergency evacuation or medical coverage abroad, a benefit that could save you tens of thousands if you need hospital care in another country. The problem is that most people, especially seniors, don't realize these protections exist. Airlines and booking sites are quick to sell you pricey add-on insurance at checkout, but you might already be double covered. The secret lies in your card's benefits guide, that tiny booklet most of us never read. A quick scan could reveal thousands of dollars in potential savings and peace of mind you didn't know you had. Here's a real-world example. A traveler booked flights with a credit card, fell ill before departure, and thought she'd lost $800 on non-refundable tickets. Her card's trip cancellation benefit refunded every penny. Pro tip: not all cards offer the same protection. Coverage varies widely, so check which card in your wallet provides the best safety net and use that one for travel purchases. So before you pay extra for a standalone travel insurance policy, take a minute to review what your plastic already promises. It could be your quietest but most powerful travel ally. Insurance is great, but what if you can't even make the trip in the first place? At number 1, we'll show you how so-called non-refundable tickets might not be as final as you think. 1. Refunds on non-refundable tickets. The mulligan flight. Here's the crown jewel. Many airlines will refund or credit non-refundable tickets if you can't fly due to a medical reason. All it usually takes is a doctor's note and a polite call to customer service. It's not advertised, but airlines often bend the rules for seniors facing genuine emergencies. This hidden policy can save hundreds and turn a would-be loss into a rescheduled trip.
And there you have it. 10 hidden airport perks for travelers over 60 that can save you money, time, and stress. From discounts and free bags to VIP boarding and even refunds, these are benefits you've earned just by reaching this stage in life.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Share this with a fellow senior traveler who could use the inside scoop, and let us know in the comments which perk surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels, and may your journeys be as smooth as a first-class flight.